Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras from Canon, the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. We'll be breaking down their features and specs to help you decide which one is right for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Canon EOS M200 is priced at $649, while the Canon EOS R50 comes in at $799. Both cameras offer great value for their respective price points. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 features fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 boasts dual-pixel CMOS AF-E, which covers a larger area and has advanced subject detection and tracking capabilities. In terms of image quality, both cameras deliver stunning results. The Canon EOS M200 sports a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, while the Canon EOS R50 features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor. You can expect sharp and detailed images from both cameras. If you're into videography, both cameras have you covered. The Canon EOS M200 offers 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie capabilities, along with vertical video shooting. Similarly, the Canon EOS R50 also shoots 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AF-E at up to 30 FPS oversampled from 6K. It also supports full HD high frame rate movies shooting up to 120 FPS. Both cameras come with some additional features to enhance your shooting experience. The Canon EOS M200 includes a combination tripod grip and remote control, perfect for vloggers on the go. Additionally, it can be used as a high-quality webcam with the EOS Utility Webcam beta software. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 offers advanced A+ assist for greater expressive capability in auto mode, as well as a built-in flash for shooting in dark environments or with backlit scenes. And there you have it. The Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS R50 are both fantastic cameras with their own strengths. Depending on your needs and budget, either one could be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to let us know in the comments below which camera you prefer. We hope you enjoyed this comparison video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.